We have a really interesting discussion as we continue this look at Noah. We've looked at the two genealogies and how that plays in with the whole sons of God, daughters of men. We've looked at Noah finding grace, but what we want to do next time is look at this idea of the ark. And if we look up this word ark, ha teba, what's interesting is that the majority of the usages are all Noah's Ark, but there are a few uses of that word of Moses' basket, and you can see it's the exact same word, hateba. It's almost as if Moses' mother knew the Noah's Ark story, and if she's commanded to throw her loved son into the deadly waters, well, she says, I'll build an ark uh, around him. And so that's what they do. And so we have the story of kind of the new Moses, Noah, or sorry, the new Adam with Noah. And then we have God's people or the deliverer of God's people reduced to one person. You start thinking about the meta narrative. You read through this story. How is Jesus' life? How is Jesus' death related, unrelated to the story of Noah? So we're going to talk about that. And there is this incredible thing that just take myself away here. Um, if you come to the Noah story and you just take a Jewish calendar, and remember the Jewish calendar is flipped by Moses during Passover, the seventh month becomes the first month. But if you do that, uh, do any of the things in the Noah story align with dates in the Jewish calendars? In other words, all those dates that are given when things happen, do they correspond with any other dates? So we're going to have a pretty interesting discussion. Thanks again for submitting your questions before the lecture, and I will, as always, look forward to talking to you again next time.